Welcome to AI LedgerX, and today we're diving deep into the groundbreaking innovations from Eigent AI.
This is a platform that's all about local-first AI automation. It lets you deploy a team of intelligent agents on your own machine, agents that can work together, handle coding, research, documents, and more. It's like building your own AI workforce right on your desktop. Let's get into it. So what exactly is Eigent AI? At its core, it's a local-first modular multi-agent platform built on the CAMEL-AI framework. Unlike traditional single-model AI tools, Eigent lets you spin up multiple specialized agents, like a developer, a search agent, a document reader, and even a multimodal assistant, all working in parallel to complete complex tasks. And because it's source available and runs locally or in your own cloud, you retain full control over your data. It's designed for developers, researchers, and anyone who wants to orchestrate LLM-based workflows without relying solely on third-party cloud APIs. Getting started is pretty simple. Head to Eigent AI, sign up, and download the app for your platform, Mac or Windows. Once installed, you log in and get some free credits to try out the local processing. The UI is clean and intuitive, built using Electron and React. Under the hood, Eigent runs on a FastAPI backend, with asynchronous communication between agents and tool modules. You can also clone the project from GitHub if you'd rather self-host everything, or want to use open weights and local models without the credit system. Now, let's talk about how Eigent AI actually works. Once you're inside the app, you can create agents with defined roles. For example, you might set up a developer agent to write code, a search agent to pull real-time information from the web, and a document agent to handle PDFs or knowledge bases. These agents communicate and collaborate via structured messages using the CAMEL protocol. It's not just a fancy chatbot. Each agent performs its function and shares context with the others. And they work in parallel, which makes tasks faster and more intelligent. You can assign tools to these agents, like access to web search, API integrations, or document stores. The cool part? Eigent supports both cloud-based models like GPT-4 or Claude and local models via frameworks like Ollama or VLLM. If the model supports tool use, Eigent can make it part of the agent workflow. And yes, you can mix and match. So you can run one agent on GPT-4 and another on a quantized local Llama model, all in the same session. But Eigent's capabilities go way beyond just writing code. You can create agents that collaborate to summarize research papers, generate and optimize marketing content, analyze legal documents, or even construct entire creative writing flows. Some users have already built pipelines where one agent drafts an article, another edits it, and a third formats it for publishing, all automatically. You can even define your own agent personalities and prompts, connect them to private APIs, or embed them into your own apps. So, what are the strengths and limitations of Eigent AI? Let's start with the positives. First, it's local first, meaning better privacy and control. Second, it's modular and highly customizable. You're not stuck with just one chatbot or interface. Third, it supports a growing list of tools, models, and workflows, including your own plugins. And finally, multi-agent collaboration makes even complex tasks feel effortless. Now, for the limitations. The current free plan is restricted by credits, which means you'll need to either subscribe or run your own models from source to go beyond basic usage. The app requires a sign-up and login to download and run, which some users found annoying. Also, while it's technically open source in terms of code availability, it's not OSI certified open source, so licensing transparency is still evolving. That said, the team is active on GitHub and Reddit, and they've been pretty responsive to community feedback. Eigent AI is a fascinating step forward in local-first AI tooling. It's not just about using a better chatbot. It's about designing AI workflows the way we design software, with roles, tools, and collaboration. If you're someone who builds with LLMs, experiments with agents, or just wants more control over your AI setup, Eigent is definitely worth a try. Powered by multi-agent collaboration and parallel execution, Eigent delivers superior performance, handling complex, long-horizon tasks faster and at a lower cost than any single agent system. Build your own worker nodes to execute any task. With pluggable MCPs, you have full control to create agents with the perfect tools for the job. Your workforce, your rules.
My heels, and I put them together in a way that I'm telling a story with my appearance.
That's it for today's deep dive. You'll find the link to Eigent AI in the description below. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more videos like it, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment with the workflows you'd want to try using Eigent. I'll be doing a follow-up soon featuring advanced setups and custom agent builds. This is AI LedgerX. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.